Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing WWE legendary wrestlers and their sons, who they are and which wrestling company they are currently working for. This video is packed with a lot of information, so let's get started. Number 1. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio was born on December 11, 1974 in Chula Vista, California, United States. As of 2024, Rey Mysterio is 49 years old. Rey Mysterio has a son named Dominic Mysterio. Dominic Mysterio was born on April 5, 1997 in San Diego, California, United States. As of 2024, Dominic Mysterio is 27 years old. Number 2. George Mizanin. George Mizanin was born on September 16, 1958 in Huntsville, Alabama, United States. Sadly, on June 11, 2015, George Mizanin passed away due to a heart failure at the age of 65. George Mizanin has a son named The Miz, who was born on October 8, 1980 in Parma, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, The Miz is 43 years old. Number 3. Bob Orton Jr. Bob Orton Jr. was born on November 10, 1950 in Kansas City, Missouri, United States. As of 2024, Bob Orton Jr. is 73 years old. Bob Orton Jr. has a son named Randy Orton, who was born on April 1, 1980 in Knoxville, Tennessee, United States. As of 2024, Randy Orton is 44 years old. Number 4. Ricky Stanner. Ricky Stanner was born on March 9, 1961 in Bay City, Michigan, United States. As of 2024, Ricky Stanner is 63 years old. Ricky Stanner has a son named Bron Breakker, who was born on October 24, 1997 in Woodstock, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Bron Breakker is 26 years old. Number 5. Haku. Haku was born on February 10, 1959 in Nuku Alofa, Tonga. As of 2024, Haku is 65 years old. Haku has a son named Tama Tonga, who was born on October 15, 1982 in Nuku Alofa, Tonga. As of 2024, Tama Tonga is 41 years old. Number 6. Rikishi. Rikishi was born on October 11, 1965 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Rikishi is 58 years old. Rikishi has a son named Solo Sikoa, who was born on March 18, 1993 in Sacramento, California, United States. As of 2024, Solo Sikoa is 31 years old. Number 7. Sam Fatu. Sam Fatu was born on October 11, 1965 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Sam Fatu is 58 years old. Sam Fatu has a son named Jacob Fatu, who was born on April 18, 1992 in California, United States. As of 2024, Jacob Fatu is 32 years old. Number 8. Sika Anoa'i. Sika Anoa'i was born on April 5, 1945 in Leon, American Samoa. Unfortunately, on June 25, 2024, Sika Anoa'i passed away due to a prolonged illness at the age of 79. Sika Anoa'i has a son named Roman Reigns, who was born on May 25, 1985 in Pensacola, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Roman Reigns is 39 years old. Number 9. Dusty Rhodes. Dusty Rhodes was born on October 10, 1945 in Austin, Texas, United States. Sadly, on June 11, 2015, Dusty Rhodes passed away due to kidney failure at the age of 69. Dusty Rhodes has a son named Cody Rhodes, who was born on June 30, 1985 in Marietta, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Cody Rhodes is 39 years old. Number 10. Stu Hart. Stu Hart was born on May 3, 1915 in Saskatoon, Canada. He passed away on October 16, 2003 due to pneumonia at the age of 88. Stu Hart has a son named Bret Hart, who was born on July 2, 1957 in Calgary, Canada. As of 2024, Bret Hart is 67 years old. Number 11. Axel Dieter. Axel Dieter was born on December 14, 1933 in Seattle, Washington, United States. Sadly, on September 28, 2015, Axel Dieter passed away due to natural causes. At that time, Axel Dieter was 81 years old. Axel Dieter has a son named Ludwig Kazier, who was born on July 8, 1990 in Finberg, Germany. As of 2024, Ludwig Kazier is 34 years old. Number 12. Il Fantasma. Il Fantasma was born on May 19, 1951 in Ecatepec de Morelos, Mexico. Unfortunately, on June 2, 2022, Il Fantasma passed away due to liver failure. At the time, Il Fantasma was 75 years old. Il Fantasma has a son named Santos Escobar, who was born on April 30, 1984 in Acapulco, Mexico. As of 2024, Santos Escobar is 40 years old. Number 13. Angelo Poffo. Angelo Poffo was born on April 10, 1925 in Downers Grove, Illinois, United States. Sadly, on March 4, 2010, Angelo Poffo passed away due to natural causes. At the time, Angelo Poffo was 84 years old. Angelo Poffo has a son named Randy Savage, who was born on November 15, 1952 in Columbus, Ohio, United States. Unfortunately, on May 20, 2011, Randy Savage passed away due to a heart attack. At the time, Randy Savage was 58 years old. Number 14. Gory Guerrero. Gory Guerrero was born on January 11, 1921 in Arizona, United States. Sadly, on April 18, 1990, Gory Guerrero passed away due to liver failure. At the time, Gory Guerrero was 69 years old. Gory Guerrero has a son named Eddie Guerrero, who was born on October 9, 1967 in El Paso, Texas, United States. Unfortunately, on November 13, 2005, Eddie Guerrero passed away due to a heart failure. At that time, Eddie Guerrero was 38 years old. Number 15. Jerry Jarrett. Jerry Jarrett was born on September 4, 1942 in Nashville, Tennessee, United States. Sadly, on February 14, 2023, Jerry Jarrett passed away due to a heart attack. At that time, Jerry Jarrett was 80 years old. Jerry Jarrett has a son named Jeff Jarrett, who was born on July 14, 1967 in Hendersonville, Tennessee, United States. As of 2024, Jeff Jarrett is 57 years old. Number 16. Jimmy Snuka. Jimmy Snuka was born on May 18, 1943 in Suva, Fiji. Sadly, on January 15, 2017, Jimmy Snuka passed away due to stomach cancer. At that time, Jimmy Snuka was 73 years old. Jimmy Snuka has a son named Sim Snuka, who was born on September 1, 1971 in Fiji. As of 2024, Sim Snuka is 52 years old. Number 17. Mike Rotunda. Mike Rotunda was born on March 30, 1958 in St. Petersburg, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Mike Rotunda is 66 years old. Mike Rotunda has a son named Brevet, who was born on May 23, 1987 in Brooksville, Florida, United States. Unfortunately, on August 24, 2023, Brevet passed away due to a heart attack. At the time, Brevet was 36 years old. Number 18. Bleegan. Bleegan was born on November 1, 1963 in Orlando, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Bleegan is 60 years old. Bleegan has a son named Austin Gunn, who was born on August 26, 1994 in Orlando, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Austin Gunn is 29 years old. Number 19. Dos Caras. Dos Caras was born on February 21, 1951 in San Luis Potosi, Mexico. As of 2024, Dos Caras is 73 years old. Dos Caras has a son named Alberto Del Rio, who was born on May 25, 1977 in San Luis Potosi, Mexico. As of 2024, Alberto Del Rio is 47 years old. Number 20. Andrew Galloway. Andrew Galloway was born on Liverpool, United Kingdom. Sadly, on September 9, 2019, Andrew Galloway passed away due to cerebellar ataxia. At the time, Andrew Galloway was 58 years old. Andrew Galloway has a son named Drew McIntyre, who was born on June 6, 1985 in Ayr, Scotland. As of 2024, Drew McIntyre is 39 years old. Number 21. Carlos Colon. Carlos Colon was born on July 18, 1948 in Santa Isabel, Puerto Rico, and as of 2024, he is 76 years old. Carlos Colon has a son named Primo Colon, who was born on December 21, 1982 in San Juan, Puerto Rico. As of 2024, Primo Colon is 41 years old. Number 22, Mr. Perfect. Mr. Perfect was born on March 28, 1958 in Robin Saddle, Minnesota, United States. Unfortunately, on February 10, 2003, he passed away due to cocaine intoxication at the age of 44. Mr. Perfect has a son named Curtis Axel, who was born on October 1, 1979 in Champlin, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Curtis Axel is 44 years old. Number 23, Rocky Johnson. Rocky Johnson was born on August 24, 1944 in Amherst, Canada. He passed away on January 15, 2020 due to a pulmonary embolism at the age of 75. Rocky Johnson has a son named The Rock, who was born on May 2, 1972 in Hayward, California, United States. As of 2024, The Rock is 52 years old. Number 24, Ric Flair. Ric Flair was born on February 25, 1949 in Memphis, Tennessee, United States, and as of 2024, he is 75 years old. Ric Flair has a son named David Flair, who was born on March 6, 1979 in Minneapolis, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, David Flair is 45 years old. Number 25, Bruno Sammartino. Bruno Sammartino was born on October 6, 1935 in Pizzoferrato, Italy. He passed away on April 18, 2018 due to multiple organ failure caused by heart problem at the age of 82. Bruno Sammartino has a son named David Sammartino, who was born on September 29, 1960 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, United States. As of 2024, David Sammartino is 63 years old. Number 26, William Regal. William Regal was born on May 10, 1968 in Cotswold, United Kingdom, and as of 2024, he is 56 years old. William Regal has a son named Charlie Dempsey, who was born on December 30, 1996 in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Charlie Dempsey is 27 years old. Number 27, Humberto Garza. Humberto Garza was born on May 15, 1932 in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. He passed away on February 2, 2022 due to natural causes at the age of 90. Humberto Garza has a son named Angel Garza, who was born on September 23, 1992 in Monterrey, Mexico. As of 2024, Angel Garza is 31 years old. Number 28, Jose Andres Salas. Jose Andres Salas was born on May 30, 1963 in Gomez Palacio, Mexico, and as of 2024, he is 61 years old. Jose Andres Salas has a son named Andred, who was born on November 3, 1989 in Gomez Palacio, Mexico. As of 2024, Andred is 34 years old. Number 29, Jerry Lawler. Jerry Lawler was born on November 29, 1949 in Memphis, Tennessee, United States, and as of 2024, he is 74 years old. Jerry Lawler has a son named Brian Christopher, who was born on January 10, 1972 in Memphis, Tennessee, United States. Unfortunately, Brian Christopher committed suicide in jail on July 29, 2018 at the age of 46. Number 30, Eddie Graham. Eddie Graham was born on January 15, 1930 in Chattanooga, Tennessee, United States. On January 21, 1985, he committed suicide by shooting himself at the age of 55. Eddie Graham had a son named Mike Graham, who was born on September 22, 1951 in Tampa, Florida, United States. Mike Graham also committed suicide by gunshot on October 9, 2012 at the age of 61. Number 31, Taz. Taz was born on October 11, 1967 in Brooklyn, New York, United States, and as of 2024, he is 56 years old. Taz has a son named Hook, who was born on May 4, 1999 in Massapequa, New York, United States. As of 2024, Hook is 25 years old. Number 32, the British Bulldog. The British Bulldog was born on November 27, 1962 in Colborne, United Kingdom. He passed away on May 18, 2002 due to a heart attack at the age of 39. The British Bulldog has a son named Harry Francis Sims, who was born on August 2, 1985 in Calgary, Canada. As of 2024, Harry Francis Sims is 39 years old. Number 33, Big John Studd. Big John Studd was born on February 19, 1948 in Butler, Pennsylvania, United States. He passed away on March 20, 1995 due to Hodgkin's lymphoma at the age of 47. Big John Stud has a son named Sean Minton, who was born on October 8, 1990, in Burke, Virginia, United States. As of 2024, Sean Minton is 33 years old. Number 34, Fritz von Erich. Fritz von Erich was born on August 16, 1929, in Truett, Texas, United States. He passed away on September 10, 1997, due to brain and lung cancer at the age of 68. Fritz von Erich has a son named Kevin von Erich, who was born on May 15, 1957, in Belleville, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Kevin von Erich is 67 years old. Number 35, The Undertaker. The Undertaker was born on March 24, 1965, in Houston, Texas, United States. As of 2024, he is 59 years old. The Undertaker has a son named Conor Vincent Clave. He was born on August 3, 1993, in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, United States. As of 2024, Conor Vincent Clave is 31 years old. Number 36, Ivan Putski. Ivan Putski was born on January 21, 1941, in Krakow, Poland, and as of 2024, he is 83 years old. Ivan Putski have a son named Scott Putski, who was born on May 22, 1966, in Austin, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Scott Putski is 58 years old. Number 37, Fit Finlay. Fit Finlay was born on January 31, 1958, in Belfast, United Kingdom, and as of 2024, he is 66 years old. Fit Finlay has a son named David Finlay, who was born on May 16, 1993, in Bremen, Germany. As of 2024, David Finlay is 31 years old. Number 38, Dory Funk Sr. Dory Funk Sr. was born on May 4, 1990, in Hammond, Indiana, United States. He passed away on June 3, 1973, due to a heart attack at the age of 54. Dory Funk Sr. has a son named Torrance Ernest Funk, who was born on February 3, 1941, in Hammond, Indiana, United States. As of 2024, Torrance Ernest Funk is 83 years old. Number 39, Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar was born on July 12, 1977, in Webster, South Dakota, United States, and as of 2024, he is 47 years old. Brock Lesnar has a son named Luke Lesnar, who was born on April 10, 2002, in Alexandria, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Luke Lesnar is 42 years old. Number 40, Dr. Wagner Jr. Dr. Wagner Jr. was born on April 13, 1936, in Zacatecas, Mexico. He passed away on September 12, 2004, due to a heart attack at the age of 68. Dr. Wagner Jr. has a son named Silver King, who was born on January 9, 1968, in Torreon, Mexico. Silver King passed away on May 11, 2019, due to a heart attack at the age of 51. Number 41, Brian Pillman. Brian Pillman was born on May 22, 1962, in Cincinnati, Ohio, United States. He passed away on October 5, 1997, due to arteriosclerosis at the age of 35. Brian Pillman has a son named Lexis King, who was born on September 9, 1993, in Erlanger, Kentucky, United States. As of 2024, Lexis King is 30 years old. Number 42, Bull Buchanan. Bull Buchanan was born on January 15, 1968, in Bowdoin, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Bull Buchanan is 56 years old. He has a son named Brooks Jensen, who was born on August 21, 2001, in Bowdoin, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Brooks Jensen is 23 years old. Number 43, Bill Dundee. Bill Dundee was born on October 24, 1943, in Uncas, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Bill Dundee is 80 years old. He has a son named James Dundee, born on July 5, 1971, in Sydney, Australia. As of 2024, James Dundee is 53 years old. Number 44, Stan Stashak. Stan Stashak was born on April 30, 1937, in Arvida, Saguenay, Canada. He passed away on June 19, 1997, due to a heart failure at the age of 60. Stan Stashak had a son named Sean Stashak, born on July 21, 1970, in Harvard, California, United States. As of 2024, Sean Stashak is 54 years old. Number 45 is Steve Reed. Steve Reed was born on December 24, 1953 in Kingman, Arizona, United States. As of 2024, Steve Reed is 70 years old. He has a son named Alex Reed, who was born on May 17, 1975 in Nuremberg, Germany. As of 2024, Alex Reed is 49 years old. Number 46, Chavo Guerrero Sr. Chavo Guerrero Sr. was born on January 7, 1949 in El Paso, Texas, United States. He passed away on February 11, 2017 due to liver cancer at the age of 68. Chavo Guerrero Sr. had a son named Salvador Guerrero, born on October 20, 1970 in El Paso, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Salvador Guerrero is 53 years old. Number 47, Wayne Plume. Wayne Plume was born on March 22, 1958 in Minneapolis, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Wayne Plume is 66 years old. He has a son named Carl Plume, born on June 30, 1994 in Osseo, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Carl Plume is 30 years old. Number 48, Angelo Poffo. Angelo Poffo was born on April 10, 1925 in Downers Grove, Illinois, United States. He passed away on March 4, 2010 due to natural causes at the age of 84. Angelo Poffo had a son named Lanny Poffo, born on December 28, 1954 in Calgary, Canada. Lanny Poffo passed away on February 2, 2023 due to heart failure at the age of 68. Number 29 is Scott Hall. Scott Hall was born on October 20, 1958 in St. Mary's County, Maryland, United States. He passed away on March 14, 2022 due to multiple heart attacks at the age of 63. Scott Hall had a son named Cody Taylor Hall, born on May 31, 1991 in Tulsa, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Cody Taylor Hall is 33 years old. Number 50, Tugboat Tyler. Tugboat Tyler was born on December 9, 1945 in Maquoketa, Iowa, United States. He passed away on November 8, 2017 due to a heart attack at the age of 71. Tugboat Tyler had a son named Chess Tyler, born on April 17, 1988 in Houston, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Chess Tyler is 36 years old. Number 51, Emile Dupree. Emile Dupree was born on October 20, 1936 in Shediac, Canada. He passed away on September 17, 2023 while in a coma at the age of 86. Emile Dupree had a son named Rennie Dupree, born on December 15, 1983 in Moncton, Canada. As of 2024, Rennie Dupree is 40 years old. Number 52, Carlos Colon. Carlos Colon was born on July 18, 1948 in Santa Isabel, Puerto Rico. As of 2024, Carlos Colon is 76 years old. He has a son named Carlito, born on February 21, 1979 in Santo West, Puerto Rico. As of 2024, Carlito is 45 years old. Number 53, Vincent Jr. McMahon. Vincent Jr. McMahon was born on July 6, 1940 in East Harlem, New York, United States. He passed away on May 24, 1984 due to a pancreatic cancer at the age of 69. Vincent Jr. McMahon had a son named Vince McMahon, born on August 24, 1945 in Pinehurst, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Vince McMahon is 78 years old. Number 54, Stu Hart. Stu Hart was born on May 3, 1915 in Saskatoon, Canada. He passed away on October 16, 2003 due to a stroke at the age of 88. Stu Hart had a son named Owen Hart, born on May 7, 1965 in Calgary, Canada. Owen Hart passed away on May 23, 1999 after a fall during a wrestling match at the age of 34. Number 55, Ricky Steamboat. Ricky Steamboat was born on February 28, 1953 in West Point, New York, United States. As of 2024, Ricky Steamboat is 71 years old. He has a son named Richie Steamboat, born on July 7, 1987 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Richie Steamboat is 37 years old. Number 56, Grizzly Simms. Grizzly Simms was born on August 6, 1932 in Houston, Texas, United States. He passed away on June 12, 2010 due to Alzheimer's disease at the age of 78. Grizzly Simms had a son named Chuck Robert, born on May 30, 1955 in Gainesville, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Chuck Robert is 69 years old. Number 57. Ted Irvine. Ted Irvine was born on December 8, 1944 in Winnipeg, Canada. As of 2024, Ted Irvine is 79 years old. He has a son named Chris Jericho, born on November 9, 1970 in Manhasset, New York, United States. As of 2024, Chris Jericho is 53 years old. Number 58. Richard Lesnar. Richard Lesnar was born on April 2, 1962 in San Francisco, California, United States. He passed away on April 7, 2019 due to complications from the heart procedure at the age of 63. Richard Lesnar had a son named Brock Lesnar, born on July 12, 1977 in Webster, South Dakota, United States. As of 2024, Brock Lesnar is 47 years old. Number 60. John Cena Sr. John Cena Sr. was born on June 16, 1944 in Manhattan, Massachusetts, United States. As of 2024, John Cena Sr. is 80 years old. He has a son named John Cena, born on April 23, 1977 in West Newbury, Massachusetts, United States. As of 2024, John Cena is 47 years old. Number 61. Blackjack Mulligan. Blackjack Mulligan was born on November 25, 1942 in Sweetwater, Texas, United States. He passed away on April 7, 2016 due to a heart attack at the age of 73. Blackjack Mulligan had a son named Barry Windham, who was born on July 4, 1960 in Sweetwater, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Barry Windham is 64 years old. Number 62. Ted DiBiase. Ted DiBiase was born on January 18, 1954 in Omaha, Nebraska, United States. As of 2024, Ted DiBiase is 70 years old. Ted DiBiase has a son named Theodore Marvin DiBiase Jr., who was born on November 8, 1982 in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, United States. As of 2024, Theodore Marvin DiBiase Jr. is 41 years old. Number 63. Sika Anoa'i. Sika Anoa'i was born on April 5, 1945 in Leon, American Samoa. He passed away on June 25, 2024 due to prolonged illness at the age of 79. Sika Anoa'i had a son named Rosie Anoa'i, who was born on April 7, 1970 in San Francisco, California, United States. Rosie Anoa'i passed away on April 17 due to a congestive heart failure at the age of 47. Number 64. Afa Anoa'i. Afa Anoa'i was born on November 21, 1942 in territory of Western Samoa. He passed away on August 16, 2024 due to a heart attack at the age of 81. Afa Anoa'i has a son named Afa Anoa'i Jr., who was born on October 6, 1984 in Allentown, Pennsylvania, United States. As of 2024, Afa Anoa'i Jr. is 39 years old. Number 65. Johnny Valentine. Johnny Valentine was born on September 22, 1928 in Maple Valley, Washington, United States. He passed away on April 24, 2001 due to a broken back at the age of 72. Johnny Valentine had a son named Craig Valentine, who was born on September 20, 1951 in Seattle, Washington, United States. As of 2024, Craig Valentine is 72 years old. Number 66. Bill Watts. Bill Watts was born on May 5, 1939 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, United States. As of 2024, Bill Watts is 85 years old. Bill Watts has a son named Eric Watts, who was born on December 19, 1967 in Amarillo, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Eric Watts is 56 years old. Number 67. Vince McMahon. Vince McMahon was born on August 24, 1945 in Pinehurst, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Vince McMahon is 78 years old. Vince McMahon has a son named Shane McMahon, who was born on January 15, 1970 in Gaithersburg, Maryland, United States. As of 2024, Shane McMahon is 54 years old. Number 68. Finton David. Finton David was born on September 8, 1958 in Waterford, Connecticut, United States. As of 2024, Finton David is 66 years old. Finton David has a son named Finn Balor, who was born on July 25, 1981 in Bray, Ireland. As of 2024, Finn Balor is 43 years old. Number 69. Ricky Knight. Ricky Knight was born on December 24, 1953 in Norwich, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Ricky Knight is 70 years old. Ricky Knight has a son named Zach Zodiac, who was born on May 29, 1991 in Norwich, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Zach Zodiac is 33 years old. Number 70. Richard Hickenbottom. Richard Hickenbottom was born on July 30, 1945 in Chandler, Arizona, United States. He passed away on December 24, 2016 due to cardiac arrest at the age of 90. Richard Hickenbottom has a son named Shawn Michaels, who was born on July 22, 1965 in Chandler, Arizona, United States. As of 2024, Shawn Michaels is 59 years old. Number 71. Frank LaVey. Frank LaVey was born on November 16 in Melbourne, Florida, United States. He passed away on July 22, 2003 at the age of 76. Frank LaVey has a son named Undertaker, who was born on March 24, 1965 in Houston, Texas, United States. As of 2024, The Undertaker is 59 years old. Number 72. Francis Gargano. Francis Gargano was born on October 6, 1959 in Black Falls, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Francis Gargano is 67 years old. Francis Gargano has a son named Johnny Gargano, who was born on August 14, 1987 in Lakewood, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, Johnny Gargano is 37 years old. Number 73. Goldberg. Goldberg was born on December 27, 1966 in Tulsa, Oklahoma, United States. As of 2024, Goldberg is 57 years old. Goldberg has a son named Gage A.J., who was born on May 10, 2006 in Warren, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Gage A.J. is 18 years old. Number 74. Gregory Allen Paul. Gregory Allen Paul was born on October 28, 1963 in Westlake, Ohio. As of 2024, Gregory Allen Paul is 60 years old. Gregory Allen Paul has a son named Logan Paul, who was born on April 1, 1995 in Westlake, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, Logan Paul is 29 years old. Number 75. Richard Hammond. Richard Hammond was born on May 3, 1928 in Dalton, Georgia, United States. He passed away on February 27, 2009 due to natural causes at the age of 81. Richard Hammond has a son named Paul Hammond, who was born on September 11, 1965 in Scottsdale, New York, United States. As of 2024, Paul Hammond is 58 years old. Number 76. Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens was born on May 7, 1984 in Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu, Canada. As of 2024, Kevin Owens is 40 years old. Kevin Owens has a son named Owen Steen, who was born on December 9, 2007 in Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu, Canada. As of 2024, Owen Steen is 16 years old. Number 77. Rick Shaw. Rick Shaw was born on February 10, 1953 in Moscow, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, Rick Shaw is 71 years old. Rick Shaw has a son named Braun Strowman, who was born on September 6, 1983 in Charlottesville, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Braun Strowman is 40 years old. Number 78. Ricky Knight. Ricky Knight was born on December 24, 1953 in Norwich, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Ricky Knight is 70 years old. Ricky Knight has a son named Roy Knight, who was born on January 1, 1982 in Norwich, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Roy Knight is 42 years old. Number 79. Rikishi. Rikishi was born on October 11, 1965 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Rikishi is 58 years old. Rikishi has a son named Jey Uso, who was born on August 22, 1985 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Jey Uso is 38 years old. Number 80. Viren Gagne. Viren Gagne was born on February 26, 1926 in Corcoran, Minnesota, United States. He passed away on April 27 due to Alzheimer's disease at the age of 89. Viren Gagne has a son named Greg Gagne, who was born on November 27, 1948 in Robbinsdale, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Greg Gagne is 75 years old. Number 81. Aaron Anderson. Aaron Anderson was born on September 20, 1958 in Rome, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Aaron Anderson is 65 years old. Aaron Anderson has a son named Brock Anderson, who was born on February 28, 1997 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Brock Anderson is 27 years old. Number 82. Gorilla Monsoon. Gorilla Monsoon was born on June 4, 1937 in Rochester, New York, United States. Sadly, on October 6, 1999, Gorilla Monsoon passed away from congestive heart failure at the age of 62. Gorilla Monsoon had a son named Joey Marella, who was born on February 28, 1963 in Willingboro, New Jersey, United States. Tragically, Joey Marella died in a car accident on July 4, 1994 at the age of 31. Number 83. Terry Steen. Terry Steen was born on January 2, 1976 in Carlinville, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Terry Steen is 58 years old. Terry Steen has a son named Kevin-On, who was born on May 7, 1984 in Saint Jean sur Richelieu, Canada. As of 2024, Kevin-On is 40 years old. Number 84. Mike Rotunda. Mike Rotunda was born on March 30, 1958 in St. Petersburg, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Mike Rotunda is 66 years old. Mike Rotunda has a son named Bo Dallas, who was born on May 25, 1990 in Brooksville, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Bo Dallas is 34 years old. Number 85. Stu Hart. Stu Hart was born on May 3, 1915 in Saskatoon, Canada. He passed away on October 16, 2003 due to pneumonia at the age of 88. Stu Hart had a son named Simthart, who was born on November 28, 1948 in Long Beach, New York, United States. Simthart passed away on July 2, 2017 from prostate cancer at the age of 68. Number 86. Roberto Gutierrez Sr. Roberto Gutierrez Sr. was born on September 17, 1934 in Valdez, Alaska, United States. He passed away on March 11, 2006 from natural causes at the age of 72. Roberto Gutierrez Sr. has a son named Rey Maestrillo, who was born on December 11, 1974 in Chula Vista, California, United States. As of 2024, Rey Maestrillo is 49 years old. Number 87. Ken Williams. Ken Williams was born on August 3, 1948 in Birmingham, Alabama, United States. As of 2024, Ken Williams is 76 years old. Ken Williams has a son named Steve Austin, who was born on December 18, 1964 in Victoria, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Steve Austin is 59 years old. Number 88. Tommy Gilbert. Tommy Gilbert was born on January 15, 1940 in Lexington, Tennessee, United States. He passed away on November 26, 2015 due to kidney failure at the age of 75. Tommy Gilbert had a son named Eddie Gilbert, who was born on August 14, 1961 in Lexington, Tennessee, United States. Eddie Gilbert passed away on February 18, 1995 from a massive heart attack at the age of 33. Number 89. Paul Witt Sr. Paul Witt Sr. was born on January 2, 1938 in Heights, Kansas, United States. He passed away on March 30, 1999 due to lung cancer at the age of 63. Paul Witt Sr. has a son named Big Show, who was born on February 8, 1972 in Aiken, South Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Big Show is 52 years old. Number 90. Keith Sarkodie Mensah. Keith Sarkodie Mensah was born on November 12, 1958 in Kumasi, Ghana. As of 2024, Keith Sarkodie Mensah is 55 years old. Keith Sarkodie Mensah has a son named Kofi Kingston, who was born on August 14, 1981 in Kumasi, Ghana. As of 2024, Kofi Kingston is 43 years old. Number 91. Kevin Clay. Kevin Clay was born on December 17, 1954 in Washington, D.C., United States. As of 2024, Kevin Clay is 69 years old. Kevin Clay has a son named Alex Riley, who was born on April 28, 1981 in Fairfax Station, Virginia, United States. As of 2024, Alex Riley is 43 years old. Number 92. Bleegan. Bleegan was born on November 1, 1963 in Orlando, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Bleegan is 60 years old. Bleegan has a son named Colton Gunn, who was born on May 18, 1991 in Orlando, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Colton Gunn is 33 years old. Number 93. Barry Darsow. Barry Darsow was born on October 6, 1959 in Minneapolis, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Barry Darsow is 64 years old. Barry Darsow has a son named Dakota Darsow, who was born on January 31, 1987 in Maple Grove, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Dakota Darsow is 37 years old. Number 95. Fertis von Erich. Fertis von Erich was born on August 16, 1929 in Jewett, Texas, United States. He passed away on September 10, 1997 due to brain and lung cancer at the age of 68. Fertis von Erich had a son named Carey von Erich, who was born on February 3, 1960 in Niagara Falls, New York, United States. Carey von Erich tragically took his own life on February 18, 1993 at the age of 33. Number 96. Rikishi. Rikishi was born on October 11, 1965 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Rikishi is 58 years old. Rikishi has a son named Jimmy Uso, who was born on August 22, 1985 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Jimmy Uso is 38 years old. Number 97. Martin Farrelly. Martin Farrelly was born on July 20, 1970 in Davenport City, Iowa, United States. As of 2024, Martin Farrelly is 4 years old. Martin Farrelly has a son named Seamus, who was born on January 28, 1978 in Cabra, Ireland. As of 2024, Seamus is 46 years old. Number 98. Gilbert Hardy. Gilbert Hardy was born on September 14, 1933 in French Lick, Indiana, United States. He passed away on April 6, 2021 from the natural causes at the age of 88. Gilbert Hardy has a son named Jeff Hardy, who was born on August 31, 1977 in Cameron, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Jeff Hardy is 46 years old. Number 99. Tim McAfee. Tim McAfee was born on August 19, 1972 in Vandalia, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Tim McAfee is 57 years old. Tim McAfee has a son named Pat McAfee, who was born on May 2, 1987 in Plum, Pennsylvania, United States. As of 2024, Pat McAfee is 37 years old. Number 100. Donald Orrin Danielson. Donald Orrin Danielson was born on July 18, 1956 in Minot, North Dakota, United States. He passed away on April 21, 2014 due to a heart attack at the age of 57. Donald Orrin Danielson has a son named Daniel Brand, who was born on May 22, 1981 in Aberdeen, Washington, United States. As of 2024, Daniel Brand is 43 years old. So friends, these were all the legendary wrestlers and their sons who are currently wrestling in WWE. For more informative videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.